How to import an existing wallet into SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to import an existing wallet into SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To import an existing wallet into SafePal, open the SafePal app on your mobile device and tap on Software Wallet or Hardware Wallet, depending on your setup. Then choose Import Wallet. You'll be asked to enter your recovery phrase, a set of 12, 18, or 24 random words from your previous wallet. Type them carefully in order to exit, without spelling mistake. Once installed, set a new wallet name and password for security. Tap Confirm and your wallet will be imported instantly, along with access to all your crypto assets. Always make sure you are importing on the official app and never share your recovery phrase with anyone. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how we're going to import an existing wallet into SafePal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.